Right, well, I will get those graded as soon as possible. If any of that was difficult for you, you need to go back into the practice worksheets in D2L. There are practice worksheets pretty much for each part of that quiz. So review that, review the notes if you need to. All that sort of stuff will be on the exam, I'm sure. So we're going to work on chapter 18 today and next time. And we'll finish it next time. No, not a problem, I think. So the chapter 18, Mastering Chemistry, will be due a week from yesterday. We're doing experiment 13 this week. Fits really nicely with our chapter in the textbook. Our third exam is coming up in 2 weeks already. We're really sort of picking it up towards the finish line here. So that's about it. Anybody have questions about any of that stuff? Yes?
I wasn't able to find the experiment 13 video.
Really? Well, that could certainly be my fault. Let's just take a look. Oh, yeah, there's Kelly. Did anybody else have trouble? Did anybody find the video? Yeah, okay, so. Oh. Is that why? Ah, okay. Yes, so the way I've organized this now, yeah, that could be part of it. I like to clean house a little bit after each exam, so I move all the stuff from previous exams into these folders. So yeah, within this exam 2 materials, those were those older pre-lab videos from that one. So that could be. If you're in the table of contents, it's all just sort of linear like that. So exam 1 materials, pre-lab videos, exam 2 materials, pre-lab videos. So that could be part of it. So, all right. Anybody else have any questions or issues? Okay. So what I do want to say here, at the end of chapter 7, I mentioned last time we didn't have time to get to this page in class. This is just a summary of how the bond angles can add together to make a molecule polar or nonpolar. Okay? So I don't think we really need to go through this too much, but if I were you, I would, as a review, go into the completed notes for chapter 10b. It's going to be the last page of that one. Yeah, there it is. So take a look at that if you haven't yet. That should just sort of be reviewing how the different shapes can have their dipole arrows interact with each other and either cancel out or add up to a net dipole moment. So look through that in the notes. Otherwise, you could probably just sort of fill it out on your own too.